Dr. Ray Marquez here, local chiropractor, Back Pain Relief Center. We're coming to you from our Myrtle Beach office today. We're here with Lindsay, and Lindsay was unfortunate enough to be in a car accident a little earlier. So she has a little bit of back and neck pain. So we're gonna do a chiropractic adjustment, a little bit of muscle work on her, and try to get everything loosened up. This is her first time. She's never been adjusted, so this will be good for everyone to watch. All right, so Lindsay, I'm gonna move your hair back a little bit. I'm gonna put a little bit of pressure on these tight muscles. All right, and what I'd like you to do is you're gonna look down to your chest and then come back up, and you're gonna feel a little pressure under my fingers. Okay, do that 5 times for me. 1, and then up. Again, 2, 3, 4, and 1 more, 5. Now you're gonna turn your head to the right, and then you're gonna go up and down for me 5 times. 1, little tender under my fingers. 2, 3, 4, 5. We're going to go to the other side, chin down to your chest. 1, try not to pull you. 2, 3, 4, 5. What I'm doing is we're putting some pressure on different trigger points that are in her muscles that have spasm, maybe due to the accident, maybe from work and school, a bunch of things. And we're just trying to loosen it all up so when we manipulate it, it goes a little easier. Okay, I'm going to take your arm here, and then we're going to go all the way up for me 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Okay, you getting everything there, Lisa?
Mm-hmm.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're going to touch your belly, your back 5 times. 1, a little tender. 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Okay, here, come all the way up 5 times and look straight ahead for me. 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll come down a little lower, and 5. Okay, let's touch your knee, and then come all the way up for me 5 times. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. All right, not too bad, right? Let's go on your belly for me, face down. All right, so Lindsay, first we're going to use an instrument. You can kind of just hang your arms there. We're going to use an adjusting instrument on your back. Got to feel a little funny. And what we're doing is we're just vibrating each of the joints to break up any adhesions that may be there that can make the joint dysfunctional.
It feels interesting.
It's weird, right?
Yeah.
This will all be different for you. A little different. Okay, this isn't bad. So next we're going to use this instrument just to massage the muscles a little bit, bring some blood flow to the surface. You can stop that for a second. All right, so next, Lindsay, I'm going to have you lay on your side, face me. So I'm going to just put that there for your head. I'm going to kind of put you where I need you. So we're just going to kind of slide you just a little bit that way. I'm going to cross your arms. You can just rest your head. I'm going to bend your top leg. So this next one is a lumbar manipulation. So I won't drop you and I won't hurt you. So I'm just going to cross your arms a little more. I'm just going to come over. That's all it is. Okay? Good? Let's do the other side. So when you hear that crack, that's the joint decompressing. Right? We're unloading the joint. Okay, I'm going to cross your arms. Like that. That's probably the biggest crack I've ever had. Go on your back for me, face up. I'm going to take this pillow away. All right, so we're going to adjust Lindsay's neck. So it's going to make that same noise, Lindsay, but it's not going to hurt, okay? The people that get freaked out about it, it's more the noise than anything.
Exactly.
All right, so just going to come over here, just nice and light. Good. Okay, one more time. Good. All right. This last one, we're going to do an upper thoracic adjustment. I'm going to just cross your arms. I'm going to put my hand behind yours. I'm just going to come through. Good. All right. Come on up. Spin around. And that's your first adjustment. How'd that feel?
Good. Very good.
All right.
Lots of cracks.
We want to thank Lindsay for allowing us to video this. If you have any questions about anything we did today, make sure that you shoot me a message or comment on this video. You can always go to myrtlebeachwalkinchiro.com or backpainrc.com. Thanks for watching.